Wow, that's so cool! Finally outside. So, let me introduce the story. As I'm growing, my parents believe it's time to let me see the world behind the wall. See with my own eyes what the world looks like. Yes, I live in a village close behind giant walls and a huge door. My father says I shouldn't go too far. He says it's dangerous and scary. But I still have faith. Wow, it's beautiful here. Air feels so light and I feel free. Nature is so alive with beautiful, bright colors. Sun shines and the sky is all clean. What's that? Why? 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 Stop. 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 Stop this! Or I will! Stop! You're better than him.